Always overcooking your meals? Tired of not knowing the perfect cooking temperatures? Introducing the Agari cooker, the world's first machine to automatically reverse sear your food. It delivers sous vide quality cooking combined with a high temperature sear, all in one device in a fraction of the time. Here's how it works. Place your food, meat, poultry, fish and vegetables into the cooker. The Agari's dual cameras and AI system automatically recognize the type of food, scan its 3D shape, and measure its temperature. Using this data and AI algorithms, it precisely sets the cooking parameters, including cooking temperature and time, down to the second. First, the Agari cooks at a low temperature under pressure and steam. A built-in compressor delivers fresh pressurized air directly into the oven. At the same time, water is pumped from the tank into a steam generator, instantly producing steam. Together, these elements create an ideal cooking environment that's both faster and more precise. It cooks at a lower temperature than any technology other than sous vide, which is critical to professional quality results. This unique method mimics the precision of sous vide, but eliminates the need for plastic bags and water baths, and adds the benefit of pressure, cutting cooking time dramatically while helping to retain moisture. When the initial cook is completed, the Agari cooker rapidly transitions to a high-temperature sear, reaching 550 degrees in seconds. It sears for a precise duration down to the second based on the 3D shape, ensuring that well-cooked food is not dried out in the sear. The result? A juicy interior and a perfectly crispy exterior, effortlessly. Agari, the world's first device to use pressure at sous vide temperatures for faster, juicier results. With Agari, every meal is an experience worth sharing. Join us on Kickstarter and be the first to cook smarter, better, and effortlessly.